Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the new P7 battery from BosLipo and I've been using it for around 6 months, and during that 6-month time period I have pushed this battery through a lot of abuse. I have discharged it as low as 2.9 volts, and you can see how badly this battery has deformed during several crashes, but this battery is still going strong. And even after 6 months, the performance which you get out of this battery is not very different from the battery when it was in a newer condition. And in this flight footage I'll be including two videos. The first one has been done by myself and the other video has been taken from another pilot who has been using this battery. Let's talk about the performance. Now this battery performs really great and has been holding that performance for a very long duration. And talking about the price, now this battery is slightly on expensive side, not really a budget friendly battery, but for the price I think the performance which it is delivering is really great, and from my side this is a thumbs up for this battery.
I begin to I begin to
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.